my name is Sherry. Today I have a Disney World haul. I just got back from Walt Disney World a few days ago and I did not get a ton of things. This was a very short trip. We were flew in one night, had 3 days, and then left on the 5th morning. So we only had 3 full days in Disney World. And we flew Frontier and we did not have a lot of space in our luggage, nor did we want to pay to send other things home. So this is a very small haul. I feel like I got some good stuff though. We'll start with the first things, which are these ears. If you watched my last video, which was a Disneyland haul, and yes, I went to Disneyland, and then a few days later I went to Disney World. The Disneyland trip was a work trip, and the Disney World trip was with my family. My son had midwinter break, which I feel like is like a upper Midwest thing maybe. He had midwinter break, so we went to Disney World for just a few days. And if you watch that haul, you know I said in that haul I was looking for some pink ears with hearts, and I found them. These were super, super hard to find. I could not find them anywhere at Disneyland. When I went to Disney World, I looked at a couple stores. I didn't see them. We went into Epcot. We took the Skyliner over and we went in the back, what is it, International Gateway? I didn't go in that store going in. And then I looked everywhere in Epcot and I couldn't find them. And I talked to some girl that I met in line and, I started talking. Anyway, she had gotten them the day before at Hollywood Studios. We were going to Hollywood Studios the next day. As we left Epcot that night, we went into that store at International Gateway and they had them. And they had like maybe 12 pair. And another lady got them and I got them and I'm just really excited. So I wore them. If you follow me on Instagram, you know you've seen them quite a few times. But yes, $29.99. I do think I saw on Instagram recently that they did restock them this week. But got those. Okay, the next thing I got is this t-shirt, and I feel like this is a little bit of an oldie but a goodie. This print has been around for a while. I saw it last year at spring break and I didn't get it. And if you watch my Disneyland haul, which I will link up above, I did get the Disneyland sweatshirt, the Disneyland sweatshirt, that kind of matches this. And actually on our travel day home, our flight was delayed and it was 20 degrees here in Michigan, but 90 in Florida, and I didn't bring a t-shirt and I didn't have a clean t-shirt. So I actually bought this at the Riviera gift shop. This was really inexpensive considering for Disney. I think it was $24.99. This is a large, which really doesn't feel like it's that big, but it fits perfectly. So that I got that. And I got this for my husband. So this is I don't even want to say it's a dress shirt. He likes to wear these shirts in the park. It's a short sleeve shirt. I washed it. It needs to be ironed. But it's for the 50th. It kind of has the 50th print on there. This sucker was expensive. I think it was $99, $95, $97. It's almost $100. But it's a nice shirt. He likes to wear these shirts in the parks, especially he likes to wear them in the parks, or if we go to Disney Springs for dinner or go to a nice dinner, he likes to wear them with some khaki, some nice shorts. So we got that. Okay. And then my son got a new magic band. He did not need a magic band. He had a gift card, a Disney gift card from Christmas, I think. So he got this silver glittery magic band, whatever. It's cute. I would wear it. I think he just wanted it because it was kind of blingy, but so he got that. We got this at the gift shop at the Riviera. And then we went to the outlets, the Vineland outlet, the character warehouse, and I got these ears. So these are the sugar cookie ears from Christmas 2021. They were in the parks for $29.99. When I was at Disneyland just a few weeks ago, these were still in the parks for $29.99. But I got them at the outlet. So I paid $7.99 for these. They have the, CVS receipt on the back. But I thought they were really cute. I have a hard time paying full price for Christmas ears because you don't wear them very much. And I don't go to the parks every Christmas. And I might wear them for a few minutes, filming a video. So I have a hard time spending a lot of money on them. Would I have spent $29.99 on these? No, I didn't love them enough for $29.99. But for $7.99 and I wear them a few times, I was cool. Okay, and the next thing I got at the outlets are these, and these are the little gibbets for your Crocs. These are the not the Christmas ones. These are the Halloween ones. The outlet was full of Christmas and Halloween merch. That was most of what was in there. And these, I think, were $7.99 as well. I can't find my receipt, but I think they were $7.99. when they were in the stores. They were $19.99, and I almost ordered them on Shop Disney. They were in my cart a few times, but I had a hard time paying that much for them. I probably should have gotten 2 pair because my son and I both wear Crocs, and I have a feeling he's going to steal them from me, but I thought those were super cute, especially for $7.99. Then we went to Universal, and I needed a new lanyard. I have a couple of them, but I don't love any of them. And I've never seen this one. I like it because it's rainbow, but it's like not like the typical rainbow. I don't know. I loved the colors on this. It says Universal Studios. So Universal is a little bit different in that you really need to have your card accessible. Maybe not if you just have a ticket, but when you have the Express Pass, you have to show it like at every ride, and they scan it, and it's just easier to have a lanyard. We're annual pass holders at Universal and have the photo package, and so anytime you take a photo, you need to scan it. So it's just easier to have the lanyard. If you use a locker, you're going to need your ticket. There's a lot of reasons why, but so I got this lanyard. I don't even know how much it was, but I'm kind of excited about that. And then the last 2 things are my son's. He got this guy. This is the Mandalorian. I don't remember where he got this actually. And anyway, he's pretty cool. He has this like little bag that comes off, and he has the child in there. I don't know. Let's see if I can get, I don't want to take it off. And then he has like a gun, and he has like this little pack. I think this guy was, oh, we got this at Epcot at the Creations store. I think this guy was like 20 bucks, but my son loves these little action figures. I thought he was kind of cool. Okay, and the last thing, also at the outlets, is not the Nemo, but this little outfit. My son loves these little outfits for his Nemos, and then he has a couple other like little characters that they fit on, so he like changes their clothes and whatever. This guy also has shorts. They're blue shorts, but they don't fit him very well because he has his tail. They weren't really made for that, so my son just puts them in that. But these little Nemo outfits, they had quite a few of them at the outlets, and they were only $7.99. That sounds right. I think every piece that I got was $7.99 because I think it was like $26. So yeah. I know, like small, but I think a pretty good haul. I think we did pretty good and didn't buy a ton of stuff. Tell me in the comments below which item that I picked up was your favorite. That's mine. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!